I'm Jenna Stauffer with Ocean Sotheby's International Realty. Now today I am excited to show you one of my newest listings. This property is located in the private and exclusive community of Shark Key, and it is a stunner. 51 Cannon Royal is a gorgeous home. Just take a look around at all of this. Lush landscaping, tropical foliage. This is postcard worthy. This is a custom designed single level home, and from the moment that you walk inside, you will be stunned by the home's features. Soaring ceilings, walls of glass, and the seller's artistic touch really make this home one of a kind. There are two gorgeous chandeliers that you can't help but be drawn to when you walk inside. These pieces were handmade in the UK. There is such an inviting feel in this home, both on the inside and the outside. You can sit back and just relax and enjoy island living in so many different spots of the house. You can take your pick between two living areas. There is also plenty of outdoor space and an incredible state-of-the-art kitchen, which makes this home one of the perfect spots to entertain. You'll definitely want to be spending a lot of time in the pool that can be chilled or heated. There's space here to launch kayaks or paddle boards, and there's space to put in a flats boat. So what's so amazing about this location is that there is quick and easy access to world-class sandbars and fishing. Shark Key is amazing. It's located just 11 miles from Key West. There's a private clubhouse here exclusively for homeowners. There's a swimming lagoon, tennis courts, basketball courts, and pickleball courts. This is a picture-perfect home in a perfect neighborhood. If you'd like more information on it or you would like to see it in person, contact me today.